Riders who love custom bikes have been dreaming about clean handlebars forever. Now it can be done thanks to the simple beauty of the Grip Ace system. The new digital fly-by-wire system can cover all your needs and some. Hey, custom bike riders, are you tired of getting tickets for not having switches on your chopper? Get a Grip Ace system and those tickets are a thing of the past. The system itself, it's a digital switching system that can work on almost any motorcycle without cutting any wires. You just tap into the existing harness. The custom bike industry has been trying to have custom clean handlebars forever. Now they can do it any day of the week with the Grip Ace switching system. If you have a grip that you have to have on your bike, we can machine that grip to fit our switches. So, you're thinking about ape hangers. How are you going to get the stock switches way up there? If your fingers are too short to reach the stock switches, put them under your fingers. GripAce.com. You can customize the installation to where you can control almost anything you desire. LEDs, fog lights, nitrous oxide, you name it. You can control it from the Grip Ace. Brand new product, and it's taken the world by storm. Let's ride. When I press all the switches on my Grip Ace system together, this is what happens. I love my Grip Ace.